Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing my review on this palette from Colourpop. This is their Sandstone palette. So I got this palette some time back. I shared a Colourpop haul जिसमें मैंने आपको बताया था that I got this palette, and in today's video, I'll be sharing my review on this palette. I'll be swatching all the shades in this palette on my eyes like I generally do nowadays. Like whenever I share a review on any eyeshadow palette, I always swatch all the shades in the eyeshadow palette on my eyes so that you can know कि सारे shades कैसे perform करते हैं. तो I'll be swatching all the shades. I'll be creating this look what you see here, and I'll share my detailed review on this palette in today's video with you guys. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video. By the way, if you want to know how you can order Colourpop products directly to India, I have shared all the details about that in the Colourpop haul. So I'll mention that video here and in the description box. So if you're interested, you can check it out. Now let's start with the review of the palette. So this is how it comes. It comes in this kind of outer packaging. The outer packaging is actually beautiful, and on the back you can see all the shade names are mentioned here. I don't see any other details mentioned on the outer packaging. By the way, Colourpop is a cruelty-free brand, so this palette is cruelty-free. Now let me open and show you how it looks from inside. So this is how it looks from inside. Again, exactly same packaging. And on the back you can see all these shades are mentioned on the back side. And this is actually a cardboard packaging. It's not like wood or anything. It's a cardboard packaging. And when you open it, you get a plastic film here. And here is the palette. So in this palette you get these 18 shades. So in this palette you get these 18 shades. There is no mirror here. Mostly जो Colourpop के palettes रहते हैं उसमें mirror नहीं आता है. They only in their monochrome palette I have seen mirror. Otherwise किसी भी palette में mirror नहीं आता है. So you get these 18 shades, and you get a combination of matte, sequin and metallic shade. So you actually get very less matte shades in this palette. You get only 4 matte shades. This and these 3 are the matte shades in the palette. Then you get sequin shades in this palette, which are actually matte shades, but they have little bit of shimmer particles to them. So you are getting many sequin shades. Like this one is a sequin shade, this is the sequin shade, and this is also a sequin shade. This one, this, yeah, all these are the sequin shade, and rest of the shades are metallic shades. So you get a very nice combination of these kind of eyeshadows in this palette. So first let's see the swatches of all these shades on my eyes, and then I'll talk more about this palette, like how it performs and everything. As I already told you, you get three kind of eyeshadows in this palette: matte shades, sequin shades, and metallic shades. Matte shades in this palette have a lot of kickback, so you'll have to dust off the excess before you apply that product, otherwise you can get fallout. So if you dust off the excess, you won't see any fallout on the face, but there is a lot of kickback in the pan. These matte shades are very easy to blend. आपको बहुत ज़्यादा effort नहीं करना पड़ेगा इन shades को blend करने के लिए, बहुत ही easily blend हो जाते हैं and they have a very nice color payoff as well. But एक जो shade है इस palette में, which is this one, I feel this is the darkest shade in this palette. There is one more shade, but in the matte category, this is the darkest shade in the palette, but it doesn't show up well on the eyes. मतलब मैं जितना expect कर रही थी ये उतना ज़्यादा pigmented नहीं था. अदरवाइज बाकी जो शेड्स हैं वो काफ़ी अच्छे से परफॉर्म करते हैं मैट शेड्स. नेक्स्ट यू हैव सीक्वेंस शेड्स इन दिस पैलेट. देयर आर वेरी ब्यूटीफुल सीक्वेंस शेड इन दिस पैलेट, लाइक दिस येलो कलर. दिस शेड इज़ रियली ब्यूटीफुल एंड देन दिस शेड इज़ ब्यूटीफुल. लाइक जो सीक्वेंस शेड्स हैं वो काफ़ी ब्यूटीफुल हैं. तो दीज सीक्वेंस शेड्स आर एक्चुअली मैट शेड्स बट दे हैव शिमर पार्टिकल्स टू देम. तो इसके अंदर थोड़ा बहुत शिमर है. So since they are matte, you can easily use these for your transition shade or your crease shades as well, because आपके पास matte shades में काफ़ी कम options हैं, तो आप इन shades को भी as a transition shade use कर सकते हैं. They work really well, and again there is a lot of kickback in these eyeshadows as well in the pan, so always remember to dust off the excess. Now the pigmentation of these eyeshadows is also good. They are also very easy to blend. इनके साथ भी आपको बहुत ज़्यादा effort नहीं करना पड़ेगा to blend these eyeshadows, but the shimmers present in these sequin eyeshadows are not consistent. So suppose if you are applying these eyeshadows on your lids, तो you can't expect कि आपको एक consistent सा finish मिलेगा आपके lids पे. If you are using this as a transition shade or as a crease color, then it's fine because you don't actually want a lot of shimmer there. But if you are applying these on your lids, आपको एक consistent सा look नहीं दिखेगा shimmers का. बट जनरली जो सीक्वेंट आई शेडोज होते हैं वो इसी तरह से होते हैं. आई फील इस तरह के शेडोज में जो शिमर पार्टिकल्स होते हैं वो इतना ज़्यादा कंसिस्टेंट नहीं होते हैं. सो दैट्स द सेम केस विद द शेड्स इन दिस आई शेडो पैलेट एज वेल. बट द फिनिश ऑफ दिस आई शेडोज आर रियली ब्यूटीफुल और बहुत अच्छे भी लगते हैं आईज पे. लाइक किसी किसी जगह पे वो शिमर दिखता है तो इट लुक्स ब्यूटीफुल एज वेल. Now since these eyeshadows have shimmer in it, you can see fallout as well with these. So as I told you, these shadows are very soft, very finely milled, so if you don't dust off the excess properly, you can see a little bit of fallout as well. Like even if you dust off the excess, आपको थोड़ा बहुत fallout दिख सकता है इन eyeshadows के साथ. So always remember to do your eye makeup if you are planning on using these sequin eyeshadows for your look. Always remember to do your eye makeup first and then your face makeup, so that अगर कोई फॉल आउट होता भी है तो वो आपके फेस मेकअप को ख़राब नहीं करेगा. नाउ द लास्ट कैटेगरी ऑफ शेड्स विच यू गेट इन दिस पैलेट आर मेटालिक शेड्स. तो जो मेटालिक शेड्स हैं वो बहुत ही अच्छे से पिगमेंटेड हैं और बहुत ईजिली अप्लाई हो जाते हैं. यू गेट अ वेरी नाइस पिगमेंटेशन इन सिंगल एप्लीकेशन ओनली. सारे जो मैट शेड्स हैं, मेटालिक शेड्स हैं, वो बहुत ही अच्छे से परफॉर्म करते हैं. काफ़ी अच्छा कलर पे ऑफ है. एंड देर आर फ्यू शेड्स विच आर मोर वेट देन द अदर शेड्स, लाइक this one and this shade. These two shades are more wet. तो इन शेड्स के साथ ना आपको थोड़ी सी एक फॉइल काइंड ऑफ फिनिश दिखती है आईज पे, while the other shades are not that wet. So वो थोड़े से ड्राई हैं तो आपको उनके साथ फॉइल काइंड ऑफ फिनिश नहीं दिखेंगी, बट स्टिल दे लुक रियली ब्यूटीफुल एंड द पिगमेंटेशन इज रियली गुड. जस्ट दैट ये जो दो शेड्स हैं वो थोड़े ज़्यादा वेट हैं तो आपको उनके साथ थोड़ी फॉइल काइंड ऑफ फिनिश मिलती है. एंड एक्चुअली दिस वन एज वेल, ये भी थोड़ा वेट शेड है, तो ये बाकी मेटालिक शेड से थोड़ा बेटर परफॉर्म करते हैं. द फिनिश इज लिटिल डिफरेंट, बट ओवरऑल ऑल द मेटालिक शेड्स आर रियली ब्यूटीफुल. दे आर वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड बटरी. दे हैव अ वेरी नाइस स्मूथ फिनिश और बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लगते हैं आईज के ऊपर. नाउ यू वोंट सी एनी फॉल आउट विद दीज मेटालिक शेड्स इफ यू आर यूजिंग फिंगर्स और वेट ब्रश. बट अगर आप ड्राई ब्रश यूज़ करेंगे तो इन मेटालिक शेड्स के साथ भी आपको थोड़ा बहुत फॉल आउट दिखेगा. सो always use your fingers or wet brush to apply the metallic shades. Now the color scheme of this palette is actually good. It looks so beautiful in this color scheme. It looks so beautiful and somehow it is attractive. At least it attracts me. That's why I bought this palette because it doesn't have any unique shades like you see. इसके अंदर ऐसी कोई बहुत ज़्यादा यूनिक शेड्स नहीं है और ये शेड्स आपको दूसरे पैलेट में भी ईजिली मिल जाएंगे आई गेस. बट ओवरऑल दिखने में काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है एंड इट इज़ वेरी अट्रैक्टिव समहाउ, एटलीस्ट टू मी. and I really like this yellow shade here. I couldn't use this shade for this eye look, but I'm looking forward to use this one in any other look. And this one is also very beautiful, also this shade. So there are few shades which are very beautiful, but ऐसे इसके अंदर कोई ऐसे unique shades नहीं है. So if you have these shades in any other palette which you have, you can totally skip this. But if you like this palette overall, and if you're looking for these kind of shades, you can totally go for this palette. The actual cost of this palette is $22, but when I got this palette, there was 25% discount on their website, so I got this palette for $16 or $17. So if you are planning on buying this palette, look for these kind of sales. ColourPop पे काफ़ी टाइम 20% 25% सेल्स चलती रहती हैं, तो उस टाइम यू कैन परचेज दिस पैलेट, एंड उस टाइम पे ये आपको काफ़ी रीजनेबल प्राइस में मिल जाएगा. नाउ अबाउट द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ दिस पैलेट, ColourPop is not available in India, but you can purchase ColourPop products directly from their website. They do ship to India. Also, you can purchase these palette through some Instagram stores as well. I'll try to link some Instagram stores in the description box, जिनसे मैं frequently purchase करती रहती हूँ international makeup. That's all I had to say about this palette. Now let's see how we created this look. I've already prepped my eyes. Now let's use this eyeshadow palette. So I'm planning on creating a very simple neutral look with this eyeshadow palette. So first I'm taking this shade Vortex, and I'll apply this shade as a transition shade. So you can see there is a lot of kickback in the palette. So always remember to tap off the excess. So I'm using this fluffy brush to apply this shade. So I'm actually applying this shade as a transition shade, but I'll also apply it all over my lids just to give a base to this eye look. On the lids, I'm applying with a very light hand, not depositing much color there. Mostly जो color है वो मैं अपने crease में and on the outer V's place कर रही हूँ. Next, I'm taking this shade Recharge. This is actually a sequin shade, so it's a matte shade with little bit of shimmer in it, but you can use this in the crease as well since it's a matte shade. So I'm taking this shade on this brush, tapping off the excess, because this shade as well, I'll show you, this one also has a lot of kickback, like you can see here. This one also has a lot of kickback, and since it has shimmer, I have observed that it has little bit of fallout as well, so you need to be careful with that. So I'm applying this shade in my crease, and I'll apply a little bit of this shade on my outer V's as well. I'm using this shade to deepening up my crease and the outer V's. Mostly I'm placing the color on the outer part of the crease, and then whatever is left in the brush I'll apply in the inner part of the crease. So always remember to put most of the color, most of the pigment on the outer part. Now after placing the shade, I'm blending it using circular motion. So it's always good to use circular motion to blend your shades. इससे बहुत अच्छे से आपके आई शेडोज blend होते हैं. Going back to this brush again, and then blending this gray shade with the transition shade which we have applied, so that there is no visible harsh line, again using circular motions. Next, I'm taking this shade Grounded. I'll use this shade on the outer V's to increase the depth on the outer V's a little bit more. Now I'm blending all these shades together using the same brush. Next I'm taking this shade, Pueblo. So I'll apply this shade using my fingers only. It's a metallic shade. So I'll apply this shade on my lids. It's a very pretty shade. I'll blend this using the shade we have applied on the outer V's. I'm also blending the edges. I actually don't want a cut crease kind of look. That's why I'm blending the edges. Now I'll take little bit of that brown shade which we have applied on the outer V's. Just increasing the intensity a little bit more. Next I'm taking this shade. I'll use this shade to highlight my brow bones. I'm not sure how it will look, but let's see. Let's apply it on the inner corners as well. I forgot that I need to do my lower lash line as well. So let's do that first. So first I'm taking this shade, the shade Grounded, and I'll apply this very close to my lower lash line, that too on outer third of the lower lash line. I'm taking the shade Recharge and I'll apply it very close to my lower lash line again. I'm taking a little bit of the shade Tempton and apply that on the extreme ends. Next I'm using this same brush, using the shade Vortex which I applied as a transition shade, and I'll apply a little bit of it. So guys, that's it for today's eye look. I'll complete rest of my makeup off camera and come back. So guys, this is the final look and the overall look has turned out really well. This eye look is very wearable. आप किसी भी ओकेशन के लिए इस आई लुक को वेयर कर सकते हैं. एंड अबाउट दिस पैलेट, ओवरऑल दिस पैलेट इज रियली गुड एंड यू कैन क्रिएट सो मेनी आई लुक्स विद दिस पैलेट. लाइक यू आर गेटिंग मेनी शेड्स इन दिस पैलेट एंड इसके अंदर बहुत ज़्यादा कलरफुल शेड्स नहीं है, सो इट वोंट बी ओवरवेलमिंग इफ़ यू आर अ बिगनर. इसके अंदर बहुत ही बेसिक से शेड्स हैं एंड एक दो कलरफुल शेड्स ही हैं, तो आप इजीली काफ़ी सारे लुक्स इसके साथ क्रिएट कर सकते हैं एंड बहुत अच्छे से परफॉर्म भी करता है. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. If you did, please like and share this video. Also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye.